I feel so blessed to be here with this community. When I came to my first boot camp, I was just trying to survive. Um, I felt trapped by my own business. Everything was on my shoulders. Every question, every issue, every part of the business was on me. And now I have a phenomenal team that I can rely on. So over the last couple years, I've been really working on my systems and procedures. But first, I got clear on my mission, value, and purpose. And I now frame everything around that. So, all my training manuals, my new tech training manual that I just completed it frames everything, every process, every procedure around our values. That empowers my team to uh, function and thrive without me. The idea that I can take a week to go away to come here wouldn't have even seemed possible 2 years ago. So,
Multiple times.
and now we're doing it multiple times a year. Yeah. Um, and when I joined the inner circle, I just engaged. I came to all the conferences. I'm on all the calls. I'm on my pods. And I just follow the system. So, thank you, Howard. I appreciate you.